Welcome back to another day's video. We're going to be trying to get some money. And I'm going to be playing a car game. Except challenge. Which I've tried so hard on. And it just, for some reason. Why is the cameras being stupid? Might as well. So we're already off to a not of a good start. Yep. If I get frustrated, please do not blame it. Brr. The thing is I would go slower, but I'm on a time limit. And the stupid cameras don't want to work with me. You can't tell. Okay, I made it back here. Are you serious? That one stupid box. I'm gonna spend a whole 10 minutes on this, guy's not even joking. So, like, how does it expect me to drive like that? The camera doesn't. Really? Bruh, what the frick? You guys. Don't judge me. Oh, let's see if I can finally do it, guys. I did it, guys. It only took me who knows how long. Okay. See, where are we going? Since the last time I played this, they've added some new cars. Look at that. That's beautiful. Parking. Yeah, it's me. I'm not a cheater. It didn't say I couldn't do this. I thought it was gonna make me try to go peel. It's like, oh no. I thought it was gonna make me go up that. Oh, it went up that easy. I did it. I'm absolutely flooring it right now. I got the pedal to my metal. What? Couldn't even do nothing, guys. Being stupid. Trying to fly up this hill. I'm going slower than what I was last time. I don't know where it's taking me. Yay. No. I'm flooring it. Well, that is going to conclude today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.